So if you are using a Mac device, which can be MacBook Air, MacBook Pro or iMac, and if you're wondering how to delete any particular user account from your Mac, then this is the video for you. I'm going to guide you through each and every step. But before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. So in order to delete user account, you need to go to system settings, which you can find in dock, or else go and select Apple logo at the top and then select system settings. Once you open system settings, on the left hand side, go down, select users and groups. Once you select it, on the right hand side, you get all the accounts which are created in your Mac. Now, one of the account is admin account, rest of the account you can see is standard account. Suppose if I want to delete this test account, all I have to do is I have to select this I button in front of it. So, and if you want to delete some other account, make sure you select the I button which is present in front of it. So yeah, I'm going to delete this test account. So I'm going to select this I button. As soon as I select that, I get a pop-up screen. You will get the same. Now over here, you get an option of delete user. So if I select delete user, again it will show me a pop-up screen, and this time all you have to do is you just need to enter the password which you usually use to unlock your Mac. So once you enter the password, select unlock option, and now you can see after that again we got a pop-up screen. Now it is saying that are you sure you want to delete the user account? Before deleting, we have to choose any one of the option from here. So first option says save the home folder in a disk image. So if you select this option and then you delete this, what it will do is it will save the home folder in disk image. Second option is don't change the home folder. So the home folder remains in the user folder. So if you want this, you can select the second option. But if you don't want to keep any data related to this particular account, then you can select the last option, which is delete the home folder. And once you select delete user, and within few seconds you can see the account is gone, and now only 4 of the account is visible on my screen. Again, if I want to delete some other account, I'm going to select this I button and then I'm going to delete the user. So this is how simple it is to delete any user account in Mac. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.